welcome to this week's episode where we are building a truck for Out West Truckfest. The truck behind me is our 2019 Ford F350 Crew Cab Long Box. It's an XLT and we use it for running around town, towing trailers, and doing what a Super Duty should do. Well, we decided since we're coming to Out West Truckfest, we're gonna crunch a build and we're gonna take this truck to the next level with some of the body liner products that you know we do now here and some lift kit. So I'm gonna run through what we're doing with this truck. So the body guys have already stripped this truck and it's prepared for a lot of the products and they're already prepping them. So what are we doing to it? Well, Gridiron Bumpers is shipping us front and rear bumpers. We got a BDS 4-link kit, 4 inches high, and we're gonna be running a 37-inch tire. A lot of the chrome's coming off of it. We're doing that body liner chrome delete and changing a lot of this to color matched products in ultra smooth, as well as some of the textured products. And then we got a few knickknacks here and there, a new grill, some new emblems, maybe some underside lights. We don't know yet, but we're gonna keep adding to it because Out West Truckfest is on July 5th, so we got a little bit of time, but not much. So why don't we check out the shop and show you what we got already here for it. All right guys, so here we have the already prepped parts for the 4-link as well as the recoil traction bars. Our trucks do work, so we want to control that pinion when we're towing heavy trailers all over North America. If you come over here, you can see we have the side mirrors all torn down. We're going to be doing chrome delete and color match on that, as well as the door handles and any other accessory pieces that have come off. We still have a few parts to prepare on as far as the coils and the traction bars. The new grill just showed up. So even though this grill is beautifully brand new and fresh out of the box, we're gonna strip it down and we're gonna throw a custom touch on it in driven style. And no, we didn't forget about the lighting. The headlights have been sent out already. They're gonna get stripped apart and the chrome delete kit is going into those, and then they're gonna be painted internally, some body color and some custom touches. The taillights, I believe we're still undecided on those, so we'll have to wait till the build is done to show you, but we're either gonna go with a black smoke on here or a body color smoke to change it back up. And we got some fresh emblems on here for rock chips. And of course, we're gonna be throwing the light up F350 badges on here. We don't think our driven ones are gonna show up in time, but that's okay, we'll get it done in time. And to top it all off with those Gridiron Bumpers, Speed Demon Lights is hooking us up with a full lighting package for the bumpers front and rear. So we'll be able to see our working out back and driving down that highway. Next, these parts have to get painted in the booth, so let's check in with those guys.
Where are we at with the truck?
We are actually almost done with the truck. We are just waiting for some wheels and tires to be mounted and balanced, and we're gonna pick them up from Innovative. They're saving our butts, as they usually do. But I think Tim can probably give you a better update on where we're at.
Tim, where are you?
I'm back here.
What's going on, brother?
Well, I'm just messing with the trailer plug, the bumper's on. We need to put the sensors in the back here, and the rear end of the truck is done. A little bit of a cleanup and some light repairs there. We gotta go through the chassis. We are gonna give it a cleanup and a bit of a paint. As Kaylee said, the wheels and tires aren't here yet, so gotta get those on. Fortunately, that's quick. Stickers, that's actually you, so I gotta ask you on that. Where are we at on the stickers, Graham?
They're ordered.
Nice, I think we're gonna have them in time?
I hope so.
All right, if worst case, we can do it there.
Yeah.
And we come to the front of the truck, and the boys are putting on the lights, the grill pieces, and then I think it's done. So front to back, we'll give you a slight rundown on the truck on what we did while they're working. So we put a new grill on it with some LED bars in it. We put some new headlights. Gridiron Bumper supplied us with front and rear bumpers. And then we put new rims and tires. Unfortunately, our mud flaps didn't show up in time, but That's okay. The color, we did body liner and the ultra smooth on the side mirrors, new side lights, new F350 lights with the color match paint as well. Color match the handles. Threw some brand new amp steps on it, give it that nice look. Traction bars in the back for towing, because you guys see all the trailers we tow around. We got to keep everything good. We went with the upgraded 4-link system in the front, color match all the suspension components and stuff. Gridirons in the back, new lights and tail lights. So this, we're putting a cold air intake on it still. It's tuned and deleted, which we can do for everybody that's been yelling at us last time on the last video. We're in Alberta, we're allowed to do this. And from there, realistically, this is your basic build, if you will. This is an exaggerated form of what the standard weekend warrior guy that tows his truck, you know, go dirt biking with the kids, go camping, is gonna do. So this is our build on that to showcase what we can do. So the truck, this one, the H1, the Gladiator that you guys have seen a little bit of, as well as one of our customers' really badass street trucks, is gonna go to Out West Truckfest. It's Canada's biggest truck show. This year it's a 2-day event for the first time ever, and people will be coming from all over North America to showcase their trucks. And trucks only. Everything from 30-inch wheels, air ride, and monster lifts to slammed hot rods on the ground and everything in between. So I think there was over 1,000 trucks. Don't quote me exactly on that, but it's a huge truck only show. You're actually gonna see us there at that show later in this video with this truck as well as the other ones. We're gonna take you for a tour, show you some of the badass rides out of there, the dyno events that's happening, and enjoy another show. All right, guys, we are day one at Out West Truckfest, the biggest truck show in Canada. We are at Pioneer Acres. We've got the brand new fully built truck here, just finished in the shop, everybody cranked away. They're still setting up the rest of the booth, so we'll walk you through the cars. This is the body liner truck. This is a showcase truck, backed up with gridiron bumpers and some other companies that have come on board with us to show the body liner product and what our shop can do. We got a customer's little OBS truck here, LS3 big turbo. Our plan is to run this on the dyno. This has factory body, wide body kit on it. And we're expecting around 700-800 horse out of this one today. And we got the Gladiator Jeep back here. It's got a bunch of body liner products in, lift, rims, tires, standard Jeep stuff. You can't have a Jeep without being modified. And of course, we got the CBO's H1 Hummer. You do not mess with that truck on the road, so we brought it here to Out West Truckfest. Let's check out the show and show you guys some of the trucks. Look at the...
What do you think, Tim?
Well, I figured we had to come back and give a little shout out on this one because one, used to have I think I've had 3 or 4 Rangers, nothing this cool. Looks like it's running on Super Duty diffs. It's got a 6 BT Cummins in it. Interior's fully done. Back end's fully done. This thing clearly likes to party, but we took about 3 look backs on it, so we had to show you guys because this is some next level customization, and we know this guy likes to have some fun.
Hey Tim, quick, there's stuff on fire. We need to go find out what it is.
Jeff, what do you think's on fire?
We're hoping tires. We heard word that there's a burnout pad here, truck on truck action, and we're gonna go check it out.
We really got to get our burnout truck done, Jeff.
Absolutely.
We got a lot of things we got to get done.
Step by step, we'll get there.
We'll get there. Let's go check it out.
We're here and we found the burnout pad. Let's check out what they're doing. Whoa! Did you guys hear that? I think they had the first blowout of the day.
And the lightning.
I think the lightning drastically won that one. The smoke was unreal, and he was going so hard he blew out the tire.
I mean, to be fair though, the Deuce and a Half has like 3 inches of rubber to burn off and probably weighs 300 pounds of tire. So drop into the comments who won that one. Was it the Ford Lightning or was it the Deuce and a Half?
I've seen this truck on the drag strip. This is one of the fastest trucks in Alberta.
Hey guys, as you know, we love Impalas and the Chicano scene. This is one of the first diesels that we've seen with the actual engraving on the turbo here. Looks super cool, super clean, and we love to see it. Check out what the numbers are. 658, Tim, what do you think?
It's pretty quick. QZ's truck, it's right on point with that one. I think this truck suits Chief Burnout Officer pretty good. What do you think?
Absolutely. I think we 100% need to build a truck like this. Look at this. I'm 6'1".
Well, you know what the best part is, Jeff? We know Chief Burnout Officer loves his hydraulics. Hydraulic over coilover. This isn't any level lift, selectable height, whatever you need. Chief Burnout Officer, if you see a random charge for an any level lift kit, happy birthday. Lots of people seen this truck online. It's by Dark Iron Diesel. Great content creator and a lot of cool things he does. This truck was done completely and totally by hand, by brush. If you see it, this is not a wrap.
What do you think of this one, Ryan?
Yeah, it's pretty nice, man. Nice color, nice truck. It's a nice build.
Yeah. It's got the ATV in the back there, Ryan style.
Oh, yeah. The old Honda.
Paint match. Beautiful ride, nice bumper. What do you think, Ryan? I feel like this one's a little more your style.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Lots of motor in the back. Nice old truck. It's not too shabby.
With a nice beer can.
Yeah. Not my brand, but
Beer can tips on it, you know. Cruise Light. Could be a little more high test, but pretty cool build. It's got the suicide doors. Beautiful interior. And a cooler box in front to hold the rest of your Coors Light.
Suck on the highway.
577.
Sit down.
Not too bad, eh, Ryan?
it's not too bad.
Yeah, we've seen better, but
Yeah, definitely.
we'll come back, see if we can get something better, something higher. See what
Maybe a
happens.
Chevy.
Yeah, maybe a Chevy. We'll see what happens when we put the OSB on there tomorrow.
That's
Come
right.
on, Tim, you can do it.
You can do it.
Ford Ranger. Me and Ryan think that this is one of the next builds that we need to do.
Yeah.
I love,
We need to build one of these.
loves me a good top kick.
Yeah.
All right, so I found the one mod that we have to figure out a way to put on one of Cash Money's projects. It's down here. Let me show you. So those are the fuel pumps. They're high volume fuel pumps that we put on a lot of diesels, called a fast pump or an air dog. That one's a fast pump. Put a little bit of a twist on it. I think it's fueled by a little bit of caffeine.
How are you all over all at once? He's everywhere.
I was in LA on Wednesday and we're at West Truckfest all weekend.
I know.
What are you doing at a truck show, Denny?
I'm hanging out.
You addicted to trucks now? There's no Hondas here.
There's probably at least one.
No, it's truck show only. No cars allowed.
I'm out of my realm here, that's for sure.
That's okay, we got you covered. This is my world.
Yeah.
I'll make sure you don't get taken advantage of because there's nothing but dirty hustlers here.
I feel like there's a whole bunch of butt ticklers here.
Our diesel guys.
All right, so it's out West Truckfest. We just finished the award. We ended up getting vendor's choice. Pretty awesome, and we got it for the mini truck. What do you think, Ryan? It's your first out West Truckfest. We coming back next year?
Oh yeah, hopefully with some more stuff too, right?
Yeah, we'll build something. We got some plans in the works. What's your favorite truck here?
I'm gonna say there's a lot of hard ones. That Kodiak, that big lot lifted Kodiak, that's mine.
Nice. I'm gonna be biased. I'm going with the one that we brought. But no, there's some nice 6-liters here. I can't pick. We all know I love my 6-liters. So, all right, let's load some trucks and let's get back to the shop.
Sounds good, man.